Hi, this is Eleanor with the Curry Law Firm and coronaviruslegal.us. And I'm here sharing information and updates on COVID-19 and how we can anticipate it will impact our economy, legislation, small business, and of course our health. And as more and more companies have their PPP loans processed and approved, it's important to turn our attention to the loan forgiveness requirements that will turn the loan into a grant. The PPP loan amount was determined and granted based upon 2.5 months of reported payroll costs for an averaged 12-month period prior to February 15, 2019. To report and apply for forgiveness, borrowers will need to document their expenses for both payroll costs and other approved expenses for the 8-week period after the loan disbursement date, which is counted as the date the funds were deposited into your account. So here are some important considerations to ensure you qualify for the loan forgiveness. First, the employee headcount during the 8-week period after disbursement must remain the same compared to the employee headcount from either February 15th to June 30th, 2019, or January 1st to February 29th, 2020. Note that seasonal businesses may have different comparison periods. Second, the review of your payroll will also examine if the total salary for wages for each employee is at the comparable level to the most recent quarter the employee was employed prior to receiving the loan. Third, make sure that you weigh the impact of not being able to bring back some laid-off employees. If there is a laid-off employee that declines the offer to be rehired, you must prove a good faith written offer to rehire and document the employee's rejection of that offer. This rejection may also work as a forfeiture of eligibility for unemployment compensation. Finally, pay careful attention to the fact that the measurement is for 8 weeks and that at least 75% of the proceeds must be used for payroll costs, and the other 25% is used for approved expenses such as mortgage interest, rent payments, and utility payments. While it may be tempting for small businesses to save some of this money in order to prepare themselves for other unknowns, failure to utilize these funds for the improved uses for the PPP program could result in a failure to make this loan a grant and produce loan payments due as early as October for some borrowers. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to coronaviruslegal.us for additional details and updates on how the coronavirus will impact you. Thanks.